In this video, we're going to show you how to locate eConsult for your GP surgery using an Apple iPhone. So on the Apple iPhone, we're going to be using Safari web browser. So if you tap on your Safari web browser, and then in the search bar, so tap on that to bring up the keyboard, and we're going to type in the name of our surgery. Got Linthorpe surgeries coming up there. On there, we can see where it says website, so we just tap on the website. And the cookie consent, you just tap accept on there, be happy to accept the cookies. So once we've accessed the website, we just scroll down, keep going, and until we're here we find eConsult, so just tap on get started. Again, you can manage your cookies or accept all of them. And we can see at the top here, Linthorpe surgery, so we know we're on the correct eConsult form for the surgery that we need. Now to create the shortcut, all we do on here is down at the bottom with a little square with the arrow coming at the top. We tap on that, scroll down, and there we add to home screen. It comes up eConsult, and then we just tap add at the top. There we go, and it's been added there. And then the next time that you want to use it, you can just find the app, find the shortcut which looks like an app, tap on it, and it'll take you straight to the form for you to fill in. For information on how to fill out an eConsult form, please see our video eConsult via PC, the info and tutorial video. It's on a PC, but the actual process of filling the form is the same.